Well, hello there again, friends. A long time no video, huh? Hey, I'm putting an update video out there because I put a poll out a while back asking you guys what you'd like to see, and only three of you voted, but all three of you voted that you wanted to see an update video. So I'm putting this together for y'all to just get you caught up with what I've been working on and where I've been at. And so I might be covering a wide range of topics today. I will keep things moving to keep the video from being so long. So with that said, let's get started. First off, I want to thank you all because there are still some of you that are using my affiliate code for Zero to Mastery, which you see on the screen here. That I'll go over more in a minute as far as an update. But I want to thank you all first, and from the bottom of my heart, because you have kept using my affiliate code and it has really helped out my channel since I never achieved monetization from YouTube. So you guys were your affiliate codes were providing for me, and I really appreciate that. So I just want to say that. Next thing is I want to say that I finished the Zero to Mastery web dev course. As you can see here, I talked about that in my last video. That now it's called 2025, but I completed that course, and then I built my own full stack app. I did not take it to market because I got busy with work and other life commitments, and then lost interest in the app. I gained an interest in AI and machine learning, and we'll go over that in a minute here. So I kind of took a different direction with things. AI has really come a long ways if you guys haven't been paying attention. And 2025 is going to be a big year for AI. So yeah, so kind of with that said, in the meantime, after that, I've always been interested in algo trading. I put a couple videos out there on the channel a long time ago. Of course, you guys aren't really interested in that, so the video didn't do that great. But anyway, I've been working with that. I created portfolios of Ninja 8 C# automated algo trading that trades the future markets during the day. And I used machine learning to build those models, and I used Zero to Mastery to do that. So what I did was here, I did the complete AI machine learning and data science Zero to Mastery course, and then I also learned Python along with it because they intermingle, they mesh together. So I did a portion of this that's required for this course. For I'll quickly go over the AI machine learning data science Zero to Mastery course. If you guys are interested in AI and machine learning, this is really a really great course. I won't go into it, and I can't really click into it because it's proprietary info for them, paid course, as you guys are well aware. But if you use my affiliate code and my link and discount code, you'll get discount on the platform, and you'll get access to all this stuff and all the updated content if you continue to be either paying their monthly fee or doing an annual membership. But this just goes over what machine learning is, machine learning data science frameworks, the two paths, you setting up your environment, basically learning pandas, learning NumPy, learning Python, using matplotlib for data visualization, scikit-learn for machine modeling. Again, I'm just briefly browsing over this with you guys. There's a lot to it. And then when I got to the milestone projects, I learned enough to know what I needed to know to build AI machine learning models for futures trading, and then I stopped there. I did successfully build two models that predict future price of the NASDAQ futures using a Flask server on the back end, a Python Flask, and NinjaTrader 8 C# NinjaScript on the front end. And so basically, the Flask server had the machine model built into it, and it would make the prediction from the data feed that was coming from NinjaTrader for the price data, and then it would send back a signal whether you would buy or sell, essentially. And then if it was a buy or sell valid signal, my front end C# application was built to take that trade and manage the trade to either a profit or a loss. the models performed well. I had two different ones, but I was kind of getting burned out on trading overall, so I stopped that at the beginning of this new year. I won't go into that, and you guys are probably not really interested in that kind of stuff. So since this channel isn't really about trading, but I just got burned out on that, and so I kind of moved on. Um, but so that's kind of what I've been doing in the past year and a half or so. I breezed through that really fast, but comment below and let me know what you guys have been up to since my last video in the last year and a half or so. I will say also regards to AI, AI agents are becoming a real big thing here in 2025 and 2024 really too. And so I'll be kind of dabbling my feet in that. I haven't taken any courses. I haven't looked to see if ZTM has any AI related frameworks. They might. Here's all the stuff that they offer. Just to give you guys, you can pause the video or slow it down if you want to look through this a little bit deeper. There's many pages actually, and you get all this if you use my affiliate code and come into their platform, and it's updated, constantly with new data, new info, new classes and all that. And so maybe AI is something you want to look into. AI is changing the landscape, especially with agent frameworks like Crew AI and them changing the way that devs work. And I know a lot of you guys want to know my employment status. I'm still with the same company. I'm still in IT healthcare. I'm still an app admin. I never took that leap into an actual software engineering role. I do some of that in my current role, but most of it's an administrative function, not really so much a development function. But yeah, I like my job. It's fine. So I never really took that leap of faith on that. But I'm kind of glad I didn't, because AI is changing things. Not that software engineering is going away anytime soon, but it's definitely changing. Let me know in the comments section below what you guys think of that topic, and in regards to 2025 with AI, agents coming on board and what companies are and are not doing. Let me know what you guys think and what you've researched. And then the last thing I wanted to mention, I know like I said, I'm going fast through these topics because I didn't want it to be a really long video, but I started another YouTube channel, and this is and I'm going to leave a link in the description in the pinned comment on this video, with the link to the YouTube video and also the Zero to Mastery links if you want to get started in that too. But for all y'all that are faith-based, or maybe a Christian, or maybe looking for Christian-related content, faith-based content, I have started this channel here called Outer Edge Faith. It's, as you can see, there's only 2 videos. It's brand new. I just started it as of this month, like 2 weeks ago. If you're into faith-based content and you're into high production value content, this is what I made, and this is something you might want to check out. I would really appreciate the support if you guys were interested and you wanted to support me in that way by liking the videos, commenting in the videos, subscribing to the channel. I would really appreciate it. And if you're not into faith-based content and Christianity, that's totally fine. You don't have to watch it or do any of that. This is just something shameless plug I'm putting out there for my new channel. I want to build this up. I want to make it something really cool if I can. And that's kind of all I'll say about that, since this channel is more related to tech. So I didn't want to merge this into that, because this isn't really a part of that. So it leaves me to my last point, which you guys are probably wondering, okay, so if I'm starting this Outer Edge Faith, which is a religious channel, if you will, what is going on with JB's Tech Talk? Right now, I don't know. The short answer is I don't know. I have some notes of some ideas of firing up with new content. I put that in my voting mechanism for y'all, and so far as of this recording, nobody clicked on any of the other options as far as content they wanted to see, so I'm not really sure where to take the channel. The Odin project, I've taken as far as I really want to take it, and I'm not sure I want to do coding related tutorials anymore. especially with AI agents and frameworks on the horizon and so much new tech. I'm not saying that coding tutorials don't have their value. They do. I just am not sure uh, where I want to take that. So if I want to try doing AI news or something related to a specific topic in tech, you guys can let me know in the comments section if there's something in particular that you'd like to see about or hear about that's tech related, like or even like latest tech news recaps, like a weekly recap video of the news, or if there's a specific series that you want to talk about or want to see or hear about. Excuse me, I'm just sorry, I don't have a script. This is just going off the top of my head. So in typical JV's Tech Talk fashion. So anyway, that's kind of it. So I'm not sure if I will continue with the channel or not as far as more content. I would like to hear from you guys and about your journey so far and what you've been working on the last year and a half and what you would like to see for new videos on this channel. And maybe I'll upload another one or maybe I won't. But I'm definitely going to put a lot of energy in my Outer Faith Edge YouTube channel that I showed you a minute ago. So again, if you want to check that out and you want to support me in that way, please engage there as well. If that content doesn't tickle your fancy, I get it. No offense, no problems. You don't have to do that either. So you can just ignore that part. So yeah, so this is my update video. Keeping it relatively short here, underneath 12, 13 minutes, so I won't ramble on anymore. If you're into coding yet, anything related to any of these other disciplines, feel free to use my affiliate code, give ZTM a try. And yeah, so with all that said, if I make another video in the future, I'll see you then. See ya!